Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to pay off a Lendingclub loan early. Paying off your Lendingclub loan ahead of schedule can save you money on interest, and of course it gives you financial freedom much sooner. Here's how to do it step by step. The first step is to sign into Lendingclub. Go ahead and open the Lendingclub app or go on the website and log in with your credentials. Next step is to go to loan accounts. Now from your dashboard, you're just going to select the loan that you want to pay off. Next step is to find the payoff option. Now within the loan details, you're going to look for pay off loan or request payoff amounts. This will calculate exactly what you owe, including interest accrued up to the dates that you choose. Next step is to review the payoff amounts. Now, unlike your regular balance, the payoff figure ensures that your loan is completely closed once paid. You can download the payoff statements if you need an official record. Next step is to make the payments. Now choose your payment method. You can pay directly from your linked bank account, or you can choose to transfer funds from another account, or you can just send payments by check using the payoff instructions provided. Final step is to confirm loan closure. Now after payment clears, Lendingclub will update your accounts to reflect a zero balance and mark the loan as paid in full. You should also receive a confirmation letter or email. And that's it. Your loan is fully settled and you've successfully paid it off early. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.